Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best food dehydrators of 2026. The ultimate appliances for creating homemade jerky, dried fruits, veggie chips, and healthy snacks. Whether you're a food preservation enthusiast looking to store garden produce, a pet owner making treats, or you just want more control over ingredients and avoid additives, we've handpicked the top electric food dehydrators that deliver consistent drying, easy cleanup, and flexible settings. We'll break down each machine's key features like capacity, number of trays, temperature range, timer capabilities, and airflow design, so you can find the perfect dehydrator for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and discover your ideal snack-making companion. Starting with the Tupoi food dehydrator machine. This model offers a generous setup for snack makers who want space and control without breaking the bank. Designed with 8 stainless steel trays that can rotate 180 degrees for 2 adjustable heights, this model from Tupoi gives you flexibility to accommodate larger slices or thicker jerky cuts. It features a 350-watt wind circulation system, digital controls including timer up to 48 hours, and a wide temperature range, 95 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can tailor drying for herbs or meat. Users highlight the easy-to-clean dishwasher-safe trays and dependable drying, though some note that sound and size may be slightly larger than ultra-basic units. Overall, the Tupoi machine is a strong value for families or hobbyists who need capacity and versatility. Next up is the Fendia food dehydrator machine, a solid mid-level choice that blends features with ease of use and compact footprint. While full-spec details are less publicly documented, models in this class typically offer 6 to 8 trays, adjustable temperature controls, and timer settings. For users who want more flexibility than beginner models but don't require the largest capacity, the Fendia offers an excellent compromise, strong enough to handle jerky and large batches of fruit leather, yet compact for countertop storage. Users appreciate how its set-and-forget operation helps maintain consistency in drying cycles, though users suggest ensuring that airflow is optimized. Tray spacing and layering matter. For households that make snacks regularly but don't need commercial-scale drying, the Fendia machine covers most needs. For serious dehydrators aiming to support snack production or multiple users, Jerky food dehydrator machine steps up with higher tray count and premium build. Brands like Jerky aim to deliver units with robust motors, stainless components, and advanced controls like dual-fan airflow or higher wattage. This translates to quicker drying cycles and more uniform results. Ideal for those who process large batches, whether for meal prepping, pet treats, or gift snacks. The Jerky unit offers expanded capacity without going full gym-size commercial. Still, such capability may require more counter space and slightly more energy draw, so compatibility with your kitchen layout is worth checking. As we climb our list, OSTBA food dehydrator machine brings advanced features and larger capacity for dedicated snack makers and households that dehydrate as a routine. This model typically includes multiple trays, 8 to 10, digital timer and temperature settings, sometimes meat jerky presets, rear fan or horizontal airflow to reduce tray rotations, and quiet motors designed for overnight use. For those who want a machine that can handle weekly batch jobs, from apple chips for kids, basil for winter herb use, or beef jerky for hiking, the OSTBA provides the performance and versatility. Users commend the even drying, strong airflow, and long runtime without flavor cross-contamination. On the flip side, such models may cost more and take up more space, but for consistent snack creation, they're well worth it. Finally, the Bleat Gourmet Yefty 319 food dehydrator earns the top spot for its blend of affordability, compact size, and dependable performance, especially for beginners or those who want solid everyday use without complex features. This 5-tray unit features adjustable temperature range 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, continuous airflow that reportedly eliminates the need for tray rotation, BPA-free trays that are dishwasher safe, and a quiet motor that's suited for home kitchens. Reviewers often remark that it handles fruits, vegetables, and herbs excellently, and even jerky, despite its smaller profile. The trade-off is less capacity and fewer presets compared to top-tier machines, so if you dehydrate large quantities often, you may look elsewhere. But for most home users, the Elite Gourmet Yefty 319 ticks nearly every box. And that wraps up our top 5 best food dehydrators of 2026. From the generous Topoi food dehydrator machine to the reliable Fendia food dehydrator machine, the high-capacity Circer food dehydrator machine, the feature-rich OSTBA food dehydrator machine, and the versatile everyday leader Elite Gourmet Yefty 319 food dehydrator. There's a snack-making machine to match every lifestyle, kitchen space, and budget. Which one will help you create healthy homemade treats next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description box for the latest deals so you can grab the perfect food dehydrator for your home today. Thanks for watching.